Many reasons have been used. They tend to break down into those that are utilitarian and those that are intrinsic. The utilitarian rights can be as base or low as we like them because they're good to eat, or they can be at a higher level saying maybe a certain species holds the cure for cancer and we need to preserve it and protect it because it could be very beneficial to us. Aesthetic arguments, something that's considered beautiful. We protect Yosemite Valley because it is sublime, beautiful, dramatic to us. You also have a recreational concept that nature has been protected and preserved because it is a place where we, humans, can go and play and enjoy and hike and backpack and run rivers. That also is a pretty utilitarian reason. These arguments figured in the early history of the conservation movement. Nature was valuable because it was useful to people. The other side is to say nature is valuable because it exists, because it has intrinsic value. And we should not discriminate against something that we think is ugly or we think is boring or we think is unimportant medically or scientifically. We should say that everything that evolution has produced on this planet has a kind of a natural right to remain part of that process. For example, we don't protect only beautiful women. We protect all women by virtue of their existence. They have intrinsic rights. A snake. Well, nobody wants to protect a snake. They figured in the Judeo-Christian Garden of Eden story, as the evil organism and so forth. But ecologists and environmental ethics proponents would say snakes have just as much a place in our ethical community as any other form of life. John Muir and Gifford Pinchot were walking along the rim of the Grand Canyon and a rattlesnake appeared. A rattlesnake that is actually poisonous. I mean, it can kill people and it kills other forms of life. So when the snake came out, Gifford Pinchot pulled out the pistol and he was about to shoot the snake. Muir said, no, don't shoot it. It's one of God's creatures. This is its home. This is where it lives. And Pinchot said, what good are rattlesnakes? And John Muir replied, what good are you?